Here we divide 641 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 1 and it is 41. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 641 divided by 5 is 128 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.